Hi friends, welcome to TutusFunny channel. Imagine you can any images you can transform to the video. Okay, this image I got from Google and I have recreated by Grok AI. So I have made the video. Okay, so how to do the things step by step I will teach in the tutorial. Let's move into our uh, lessons. Today I am going to teach the Grok AI, which will be very useful tool to recreate the images. Recreate the images means you can see lot of images on Google. So I have a here you can see up to the cars. So if you are a content creator, there are a lot of car you can see. Okay, so cats. So they are familiar with the cats. Okay, cats. So we are going to cats. There are many cats in the world. Okay, so here you can see over here these are the lot of images. So I need these images. I won't upload my content in my Google or content in my Facebook or something. I want to recreate it. Okay, so the recreated purpose also we can do by this one. Okay, so that Grok AI, which will be provide the free option as well. Okay, if you satisfy you can buy, go along with the premium. The first time when you try out, the first time you will be able to buy the free one. Okay, so here you can easily go here. So you have to log in. So here first you have to, after you have to click on the link on the Google search. The page look like this. Okay, it visit the respective dashboard look like this. So the crack AI, this is the fastest one that, okay, the for nowadays the beta version. Okay, so here the super Grok, this is the upgrade. If you upgraded you can go over here. Okay, this is they given the more accurately create the images and all the things. Okay, so now what you're going to create images here, that's create images, everything's are there. So now what you're going to do is I have to click create images of create image, click on that. So I'm going to create the cat, so that the cat pictures, so that I want to save it. So let's just copy and paste it. Shall we do the same instead of, yeah, we can just copy, control C, copy and paste it. Okay, instead of saving you just control right click and copy and control V paste on it here. That's it is a possible way to paste the images on the search bar. And I need you to recreate it. I need you to recreate it. That's it. Create it in the created the I need you to recreate effective way. Now let's click on it. Now you can see that image has been recreated. It's look like this. Okay, it recreated look like this. Okay, so okay, this image I have recreated. Okay, the look has been changed. Okay, this is how we can change any images you will be able to recreate. Okay, so that if you, okay, you can see that if you click make the video also, it also we can make the video as well. Okay, the Grok AI given the many options for us. Okay, so you can see that it is make the video, but it will be able to be, we can make the video as well. Like it takes some time to make the video, so you can see here. So with this video we can make it. Now if you play the video you can see that output, very nice output. You can see that it is I can't imagine whether it is AI, so it's a natural look. You can see here. Okay, that is the ability of Grok AI. They will able to provide the output as a natural look. Okay, this I cannot identify whether it is AI or natural. So that is it has been created the accurate way for us generate the output. Okay, you have to try out. This is the very best tool for regenerate the AI images. So if you have any images in your mind, you have to generate the image. After that, uh, you can make the video look like this. Thank you for watching.